Hello everybody, welcome to the Story Galaxy's alphabet series. Today we will be learning the letter T and the different sounds that the letter T makes. So, we will be reading My T Sound Box, written by Belk Moncure and illustrated by Rebecca Thornborough. Little T had a box. "I will find things that begin with my T sound," he said. "I will put them into my sound box. I like toys. I will look for toys." Little T found a toy train on a train track. Did he put the toy train and the track into his box? He did. Little T found a toy tractor. Did he put the toy tractor into the box with the toy train and the track? He did. Then, Little T found a truck. He drove the truck up a tall mountain. He drove to the top, the very tip top. At the top of the tall mountain, he found two turtles. Did he put the two turtles into his box? He did. He then found a toad. Did he put the toad into the box? He did. Now, the box was so full that he could not see over the top. He tripped. He tumbled down the mountain. He tumbled into a turkey. Turkey feathers flew. So, Little T made a turkey feather hat. He and the turkey tap danced together. Little T found a tambourine. He tapped the tambourine. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Little T, the turkey, and the toad tap danced some more. Then Little T put all his things into the box. Suddenly, Little T heard a terrific noise. He ran into a tent. When he looked out, he saw a tiger. The tiger opened its mouth. The tiger's mouth had many teeth. "I have a loose tooth," said the tiger. "Please pull out my tooth." So, Little T took out the tooth. "Thank you," said the tiger. Then Little T and the tiger went inside the tent. They played with all the toys in the box. They had a terrific time. The end. Little T's word list: tambourine, teeth, tent, tiger, toad, toy, track, tractor, train, truck, turkey, turtle. Other words with Little T: table, taco, tape, taxi, teapot, telephone, television, tie, tire, tomato, toothbrush, tornado, tray, tree, tuba. I hope you enjoy learning about the letter T and the different sounds that the letter T makes. Please join us for more stories here at the Story Galaxy. Thank you for reading with us and take care.